Back at the parking lot, there's some new and different cars here. Love the yellow. Collection of Can-Ams. Another gorgeous pair of Firebirds. Again with the yellow.
Okay. All right, Mike. Well, we'll talk to you. Okay. Anyway, I sent the notice.
This one's for you, Lorianne.
The white envelope in the seat I was sitting on all the way here.
Set that up. It's not a Camaro. Saw this one the other day, yesterday. Another GTA. Something about the 58s. They are just
Oh, did they really? Oh, okay.
special.
Jimmy, I'm David. Good to meet you. Where are you from? Oh, from New Jersey? Okay, from Detroit. Yes.
They gotta talk to you. Oh, he's right there in the red shirt. In the red shirt, yeah.
Nice. Saw these the other day. Finally, a Nomad. Finally, a Safari. This is the 57 variety, which I imagine many would argue is the best year. I don't know if I would argue that. I want to see them all before I made a decision. Oh, speaking of which, here is a couple of 56s. Alright, I think yeah, 57 had no belt line anymore. Or straps, or whatever you want to call the chrome strips. I do like the hood ornament of the 56. Yeah, I think I would go for a 56 over the 57. And we just need a 55 for the final choice, right? Sadly, I missed the presentation that was made regarding the last Fiero to come off the assembly line in Pontiac, Michigan. And I was able, however, to get in to the ballroom that was the location of that presentation, and the actual vehicle was there. So I went ahead and shot some video of it. And here you see it in all of its very, very original glory. I think 100 and some miles on the car is all. So enjoy. Friday night of the convention was the parade through downtown Pontiac, and I didn't know what to expect. I had signed up. There was no indication prior how many cars were going to be in the parade. But in the end, there was nearly 200 Pontiacs and GMCs and GMC motorhomes. And I don't know if there were any Oaklands, but this gives an overview of what there was to see. And I wandered around, tried to get a glimpse of every car that was in line. I don't think I got some of the late arrivals, but this is an indication. They had us all lined up in a parking lot at the beginning of the route, and I think it used to be a building that was affiliated with the Pontiac Motor Division. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy the view here. You just try to walk down between them all.
Yep, no, I hear you. Kind of just got to be able to take a look-see at them, and you know, like I said,
there's more here than I had expected. That's wonderful.
Never had a house break? So they started lining up about 45 minutes ago. I think they're gonna begin pulling away in, I guess, about an hour.
get grease, yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, I'll work with you, make sure you take advantage of those when you're ready to do something.
Mine's supposed to be Sunfire, but it's a different color than this, which is probably official GM Sunfire. '64, this was a color you could get in '64, as opposed to 65, which I'm painting my 65 this color or something close to this color.